Appliance repair businesses lose a lot of time when scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing are handled manually, instead of in one system built for field service work. By the end of this, you'll know which types of software actually work for appliance repair businesses, what features matter most, and how to pick the right platform based on how you book jobs, dispatch techs, and get paid. Most appliance repair businesses need three things from software: job scheduling, dispatching, and fast invoicing. Without those, techs end up waiting for updates, and jobs take longer to close out. Field service platforms are the most common fit here because they combine scheduling, customer management, and payment tools in one place instead of spreading everything across separate apps. One of the most important features is dispatching. Good software lets you assign jobs to technicians based on location, availability, and urgency, so you're not manually coordinating every call. Another key feature is job tracking. Appliance repair work moves fast, and you need to know where each technician is, what job they're on, and what parts or follow-ups are needed. Customer communication also matters. Many platforms automatically send appointment confirmations and updates, so customers know when the technician is arriving without you calling them manually. Invoicing is another critical part. The best tools let technicians generate invoices right after completing a job, which helps reduce delays between service and payment collection. Mobile access is also essential because most appliance repair work happens in the field. Technicians need to view job details, update statuses, and collect payments from their phone or tablet. Some platforms also include recurring customer tracking, which helps because appliance repair businesses often get repeat customers for maintenance or follow-up issues. When comparing software options, the main difference usually comes down to simplicity versus advanced features. Some tools are designed to be easy to use for small teams, while others are built for larger operations with more complex scheduling needs. The right choice depends on your workload. If you're handling a smaller team with straightforward scheduling, a simpler field service app is usually enough. If you're managing multiple technicians and high job volume, you'll benefit from more advanced dispatching and tracking tools. A practical next step is to look at how you currently schedule jobs. If most of your time is spent coordinating technicians instead of actually booking work, that's a strong signal you need software with better dispatch automation. If this helped narrow things down, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of field service and contractor software.